A sunny day on Sandy Beach. It must be in the mid 70s. Very unusual. 80 degrees is a heat wave. You can see how crowded it is on a sunny day. People are coming out in the droves. That's Mount Juneau. So we walk down the beach a ways where it's not quite as crowded. That's Mount Juneau. The snow is nearly melted. It looks like it might be snow-free. Sometimes it stays with snow. There's Juneau Harbor. I think that's stacks of containers. That's how we get food here in Southeast Alaska, and cars and anything that comes here. And this is Juneau Sandy Beach in the little town of Dougls, Southeast Alaska, Alexander Archipelago, Pacific Ocean. So Sandy Beach, it's historical. It's the site of the old Treadwell mine. I think this is where the baseball field used to be. This nice shady trail. Nice easy walk. There's a historical thing up here I'll show you in a second. So this walking trail, the lower trail, it's only about I don't know, maybe a half mile, 3/4 of a mile long each way. This is the old administration building. By the way, there are berries you can pick along here. They recently re-roofed and repainted this old concrete building. I think it's been here since before the turn of the century, 1900. So the trail here at Sandy Beach, Douglas, Alaska, the old Treadwell mine site, has these nice interpretive signs. And the old administration building. When I first moved here, this was all in rubble, but they came in and turned it into a little do-it-yourself interpretive center with these big old photographs, history of some of the families. And this incredible image of what the mine was like, deep underground, under the channel. Boy, that'd take you a while to figure that all out. But this all caved in 1920. The underwater part caved in, and it created a big suck hole, and so it closed the mine down about 1920. So this is what it used to look like. Well, there's where the cave-in happened, I think. And in here was the general store through this door. Now they just have a picture of the general store in the old days. So this is a do-it-yourself interpretive display in this old building. And of course the wonderful overgrowth outside. Even the picnic tables have stories. The Treadwell mine timeline starting quite a ways back. And this picnic table, some more interesting things. So this is a little piece of mining equipment you find in the woods here. I'll show you sometime. That would be a whole different video.
Called a flange.
It's called a flange. Mrs. Codger helpfully tells me. At stop number 20 on the self-guided trail. This looks like the other part of the flange. I don't know, they're about the same size. I think that was a big belt drive that drove the stamp mills, probably, which you can't see up there because of the undergrowth, but I'll get a picture.